it is given that angle B and angle Q are acute angles such that sin B is equal to sin Q. We have to prove angle B is equal to angle Q. First of all, let us draw two angles, two right triangles like this. Let it be A, B, C, and another triangle this such that P, Q, R. Here it is given sin B is equal to sin Q. In this triangle, sin B is equal to P upon H. Sin is the ratio perpendicular and hypotenuse. Then we have in this triangle P this and H this. Again in this triangle this is P, this is H and this is B. For this angle B and angle Q, sin B will become AC upon BC. And in this triangle sin Q will be equal to PR upon QR. Now it has been given that this sin angle B is equal to sin angle Q. Therefore this will become equal to this, since sin B is equal to sin Q given. Therefore AC upon BC will be equal to PR upon QR. This is P, PR upon QR. We will take it as K. Now we can interchange these two. We can write it. First let us erase this one. We have got AC upon BC is equal to PR upon QR. We will interchange this and it will become AC upon PR is equal to BC upon QR. And let it be equal to K. Take this is equal to K and this is equal to K separately. If we take AC upon PR is equal to K, we get AC is equal to K into PR. Let us write here AC is equal to K into PR. Similarly, if we take this is equal to K, BC upon QR is equal to K, then we will get BC is equal to K into QR. KQR. This we have written here. Now, in this triangle, we want to find AB. Then AB will be equal to, according to Pythagoras theorem, root over this square minus this square, means BC square minus AC square. In place of BC, we will put K into QR, and in place of AC, we will put K PR. K QR square minus this AC KPR square. Here we will get K square QR square minus K square PR square. If we take K square common here, we will get QR square minus PR square. And when we take this out, it will become K due to this root. And under root we will get QR square minus PR square. Now, we will find the ratio of this side AB and PQ. We want to find the ratio AB upon PQ. In place of AB, we will write this K root over QR square minus PR square upon. From this triangle, in place of PQ, we can write QR square minus PR square root over QR square minus PR square according to Pythagoras theorem. This and this will get cancelled. Then we are left with AB upon PQ. This is also equal to K. This is also equal to K. Here. Earlier, it was given means sin B is equal to sin Q, means AC upon BC is equal to this sin Q PR upon QR. It was given and we had interchanged these two and we got AC upon PR is equal to BC upon QR. That we have already get earlier. This was 1 and this is 2. Here AC upon PR. Now BQ, sorry, this is not BQ, it is BC. BC upon QR is equal to K, and here we have got AB upon PQ is equal to K. Means from these two we get AC upon PR is equal to BC upon QR is equal to AB upon PQ. Means this upon this is equal to this upon this is equal to this upon this. We have got the ratio of all the three sides equal. Therefore, these two triangles will be similar by SSS. We have got this equal to K. Now by SSS similarity criteria, triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. And when these two triangles are similar, their corresponding angles are also equal, means angle B is equal to angle Q. Hence proved. The question may be asked like this also. Angle B and angle Q are acute angles. Cos B is equal to cos Q. Prove that angle B is equal to angle Q. Again the question may be angle B and angle Q are acute angles and tan B is equal to tan Q. Prove that angle B is equal to angle Q. All these two can be proved as we have proved. Sin B is equal to sin Q and angle B is equal to angle Q. That's all.